Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see how we can use the prompt section. So let me go to make.powerautomate.com, and once you go here prompts, you will see a lot of prompt. So let me open any random prompt from here. Let's say this one. All right. So here you see, so this prompt is used to summarize the text. For example, if you read this statement, please summarize the given text. So in the text, something will be mentioned. Okay, so here is a paragraph which has been mentioned. Okay, long. In a way too easy to understand for general audience, make sure to include all important information, blah, blah, blah. So if you'll test this one, so here you will get a response from this text. So this is a long phrase right here. So you are getting a main highlighted points from this phrase. So generally, you use ChatGPT like to summarize the text, right? So this is doing the same thing for us. So what we'll do, let me build my own. So I'll click here and I will give a nice name. I can say this as a replacement of ChatGPT. Okay. So here what I will do, this will help me to do some calculation. Okay. So I will write in a statement. Please add these two numbers and give me the output. Okay, so here what I will do, I will simply add content here. I will say text. Okay, and now inside my text I need to pass some numbers, right? Let me say this as 5, 10, and let me test this. See here, so basically this works as an AI. So here you see I give a statement like this, please add. So in place of text input 5, 10 will come these two numbers and give me the output. So the AI is, even though I did some spelling mistakes, okay, and I didn't put it in the nicer way, but the AI calculated these two like 10 plus 5 and it gives me correct output. So we can use or leverage AI prompts between our flows. So what we'll do a real case scenario. So our scenario will be like this. See, as soon as someone sends us email, okay, so then we will revert to that email. So instead of doing like human will not revert. So the AI will revert to that particular email. So let's say your company, like in weekends, your company normally will not run. Let us assume this scenario, and you do not have any, support system for XYZ reasons. But let's say if the customer is sending you some, complaint or information, then you want AI to say that, okay, we'll look into this matter, something like this. So we'll build a flow for this one. So now I will replace my statement. I will say, okay, I will say something like this. Please check the body of this email and frame a professional and light tone reply. Okay, so let me only write this much. Okay, please check this. Please check body of this email. Okay, so now here I will simply add my content. Okay, I will say text. Now let me rename this as email content. Be with me, by the end of this video you will be able to understand what I'm doing. So here I will do something like this. Hi, my order is 1, 2, 3. See, the payment is done, but my delivery is very late, something like this. Okay, a vague statement. Okay, so let me simply add this here and let me test this. Okay, yeah, so here you see the this AI prompt is sending us email. Okay, thank you for reaching out, letting us know about. I apologize for the delay. I will check the status and will get back to you as soon as possible. We appreciate an update as soon as possible. Okay. So now if you see, the AI is providing me some extra information as well. So what I'm going to do, I will simply copy this text automatically using Power Automate, and this will get reverted to customer. Okay. So here you see there are few things that the AI is not able to handle. So I need to remove this, right? So I can say, please only provide me body, no salutation is needed. Okay, don't say hi there. But at the end, simply say best regards, customer support team. Okay, and now let me test and see what response I'm getting. Okay, so you see, like now I can copy and simply paste this particular content to my Power Automate. Okay, so let's use this prompt in so let me first of all, okay, so let me try one or two more scenarios. Okay, here I will say uh, I want to check prices of new iPhone. Is there any discount available? Something like this. So let me test this. Thank you for your join. We are currently having the latest models available. Can vary depending upon model and all this. We occasionally offer promotion discounts. Let us know the model you are considering and we'll be happy. So here you see the AI have, responded in such a way that it haven't provided the accurate information, but it is going to satisfy the customer, right? Right. So then what I will do now, I will use this particular prompt. So what I will do, I will simply save this prompt. Okay. So this will act as my ChatGPT. And now let me create a flow to understand this one, how we can leverage this. So what I will do, I will click here on new. I will go to automation. I'll go to cloud flow and let me go to automated here. So here I will say auto response, something like this, to customer query. So it all depends upon how nicely or you can use this particular functionality. And I will say here something for email. Okay, I'm going to use this. Okay, I will use the latest one, V3 version, when a new email arrives. So here I will go here. Okay, here we can hard code, if you only want, if customer sends an email with a certain text or something like that, so we can put that, or if you need something from a specific person. So all these things are also possible. So what I will do, I will simply add on new step here. And I will search for this my AI builder, which is automatically coming here. I can say simply run a prompt. Okay, I will search for this one. Let me click here. So here it will list down all the prompts that you have. So I have created a prompt named as replace ChatGPT. So I can simply choose this. Now the important thing here is you need to pass the email content here. So you see we need to pass this email content dynamically from our flow. So basically the body will have that information. So I can simply say pass the body here. Okay. And now once this will be done, then I want to revert back to my customer. So I will click on new step here. I will say send an email and I can send this email. For now, I will hard code this to be sent to my user so that I can test it right away. And inside the subject, let me say, so instead of hard coding this, I can actually send it to that person who sent this email. So that would be from for me. So let me click here. I will say add dynamic content. I can add here from. Okay. I'm going to reply to subject. I will say here subject. Here I will say hello. Then I can simply pass the response of my this, run a prompt. So I can simply pass the text here. Here we go. Okay, so let me save this. And I will need to open my Outlook to test this one. Okay, so this is done. So I'm going to send an email. I will say, okay, new email. I'm going to send this email to this email ID, and I will say issue on latest mobile phone. I can say something like, hi, I have got mobile phone last week, screen is lagging, something like this, please help, thanks. Let me put my name here and let me send this email. Okay, so you see within a second I got a response. Okay, sorry, like this is the send one email, so I'll wait for flow to run. Okay, so within a minute I get my email. So here, hi, thank you for reaching out regarding with the issue. We understand the input and it is your device running. To assist you better, can you please provide us the model number, recent update? Meanwhile, you try to. So here you see it is enough smart because, oh, so let me do one thing here. I will need to turn off the flow. So I will search for, else I will get a lot of email. So the reason why I'm getting multiple email, let me first of all turn off this. Yeah, so the reason why I'm getting, because I'm sending email to myself, and I'm also like, if there will be any issue, so I'll be getting email. So you see I have used this particular action. When a new email arrives to my email ID, then I need to respond to every email. So that's why if this email is responding for this one, then again this email will get response for this. So there's a looping that is happening. So basically you will use this functionality in a particular, common email address or a shared inbox for your company. So this is not going to be a real case scenario like getting looping of emails. Yeah, so here you see the AI is enough smart to understand. It have provided some general instruction which actually there might be issue with that particular cell phone update, right? And if even like many times you restart your system or you start your laptop and things start working. So it is also providing some general information. Now this is the first email that our AI will send. Now next time, since we have provided the first set of information, if this is not going to help, then the customer will reach out, or he will get back to us. So then we can have a human to see that particular case and take the necessary action. So yep. So in a nutshell, you could use this AI prompt functionality very efficiently. You could use AI, and even let's say if you have a raw data that you are not able to understand, so this particular AI prompt can do that for you. So thank you for watching this video.